Good morning, children. Welcome to your online class of English 2, Class 3. I hope and pray to God that you people are safe and secure with your parents at your home. I hope, children, you have enjoyed your festivals. Soon, we will start with our second semester exams. So, please, children, come back to the mode of studies, and I hope you have learned all your lessons. This is the time you will revise your lessons, and from 23 onwards you will give your exams. In this regard, we had started with the revision work. We have already completed the revision work of all the lessons, lesson number 5, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11, in which we have 3 poems. One is Daddy's Making Dinner, the other one is Ants, the last one is Mice, and rest are the lessons. From these lessons only and the poems, you will get your questions. This is the portion for your second semester exams. We have worksheet, some portions of worksheet 1 and some portions of worksheet 2. We have already done that. So, today I will be discussing with you the paper pattern and then what to write and how to write. So, let us move to the paper pattern. So, children, this is the paper pattern for class 3 English 2. Okay. You will get questions as number 1, word meaning, poem, make sentences, some questions from the text as in true and false, choose the correct answer or fill in the blanks. Okay. Next question will also be from the text, questions from the text. This is a general paper pattern. Okay. Now, the 6th number question will be question and answers. You have to do any 5. There will be a choice in the question answers and you can do any 5. The best 5 which you know. Then you will have a question as do as directed. Okay. This question will have some sub questions in it, some parts in it. And these questions will be based on the grammar and it will be from the book based on the lesson. Grammar based on the lesson. Then we will have reference to context. Okay, and then your internal assessment. Now, this is the paper pattern, general paper pattern. These questions you get every time when you give your exam of English 2. This does not change. Yes, this is a general paper pattern. Now, I will tell you what to write and how to write. Because when last time teachers were checking your papers, they had difficulty in checking it. Why? Because you had not attempted the paper properly. Okay. Now, let's start with a word meaning. Okay. Now, you will get words and you have to write the meaning of that. Now, what you will do is you will write the word also. You have to write the word also. Suppose if you get a word like scare, you will write the word scare also and then the meaning. Okay. So you have to write the word also. Word and then put a dash and then write the meaning. Okay. Once again I am saying, when you write word meanings, you have to write the word and then the meaning of that. Please don't write the meaning alone. Okay. You put the numbers. What generally you do, you put the number and then you start writing the meaning. you don't write the word. So it is the wrong way. The correct way is to write the word and then the meaning. Then comes the poem. We have 3 poems. You have to learn at least 2 properly because you will get a choice in that. Any one poem you have to write, okay? You will be getting a choice in that. The best one which you know, you will write. So we have 3 poems, so at least 2 you have to learn by heart. And that is first 5 lines of the poem, okay? First 5 lines. First 5 lines with proper punctuation, proper lining, proper spacing. You will not write the poem in the form of a paragraph. If you write the poem in the form of a paragraph, you will not get any marks. Your marks will be deducted. Okay, so write it in the form of a poem as it is given in the book. Yes, with proper punctuation. Punctuation means if inverted commas are there, put inverted commas. If full stops and question marks and colons are there, please put that. Then comes make sentences. Okay, make sentences. Now, what we see, children put the number and then they start making the sentence, not knowing, not writing the word of which they are making the sentence. So you have to write the word and then make the sentence of that particular word. Okay, you have to write the sentence and then make the sentence of that particular word. You will write the word and then put a dash and then write the sentence, and the word which is coming in between which you are making the sentence, you will underline it. Okay, you will underline it. So this is make sentences. Then comes question from the text. Questions from the text. It can be in form of choose the correct answer. It can be in the form of complete the sentences. It can be in the form of true and false. It can be in the form of fill in the blanks. Any form. Okay. Now, here what you will do is you will write only the answer. Suppose you get fill in the blanks. Please don't write the whole line and the blank. No, you can write only the answer. You can put the number and write only the answer. Okay, both the questions 4 and 5. True and false. Suppose you get true and false. You don't write the statement. Just write, put the number and write whether it is true and whether it is false. If you write T and F, it is not wrong, but you are in class 3. You can very well write true and false. So you have to write the complete word. T and F will not work. Okay, T and F will not work. You have to write the complete word, true and false for it. Understood? So now the next question and answers. Question and answers, any 5. You will have at least 8 or 9 questions or 7 questions, and you have to answer any 5 which you know the best without mistake, without spelling mistake. Okay, so put proper numbers. Suppose you are writing number 1. You put number 1. You write the answer. Okay, and then next question, you know number 4. You don't know 2 and 3. So what you will put is number 4. You will not put 2 and 3. You will not put 2 and 3. You will straightforward put number 4. So proper numbering is necessary. Proper numbering. When you do these type of question where choices are given, numbering is necessary. You have to take care of the numbers. So question and answers, only answers. Don't write the question. Only answers. Please don't write the question. Then comes do as directed. This is a set of questions of at least 4 to 5 which are based on the grammar from the book, from the text only. So you will get maybe fill in the blanks or answer in one word, these type of questions. In that, what you will do is you will put number and write only the answer. You will put proper number and write only the answer. Okay, you will put proper number and write only the answer. Suppose underline or pick out the adjective. You get a question like this, pick out the adjective. What you will do is you will put proper number, and then write the answer only, adjective, whatever adjective is there. Then put number 2 and write only the answer. So this way you have to write only the answer in this set of questions. Do as directed. Put proper number. You will get number, whether if it is in Roman numeral, put in Roman numeral. If the numbers are given in Hindu Arabic number, put proper Hindu Arabic number. If it is given in alphabets, put alphabets. Whatever numbering is given in the question paper, you have to follow that. Please don't put the numbers as you wish. Okay, please don't put as you wish. Like if you feel like putting ABCD, you put ABCD. No, if it is given in 1 2 3 form, you have to put in 1 2 3 form Hindu Arabic number. If it is given in Roman numeral, you have to put in Roman numeral. Okay, fine. Then next question comes reference to context. In this, you will get a set of questions. A line will be there. You have to read the line and you have to answer the set of questions based on the line. Okay, so this is the reference to context. In this question, you will write only the answer. Please don't write the question in this. Now, neatness will carry some marks. Yes, neatness will also carry some marks. Put your answer sheet properly. Tie the answer sheet properly according to the questions you have done, answers you have written, according to the number. Okay, please don't tie the paper haphazardly here and there. Then when you give your exam, be very careful about the sequence of the questions. One question, right? Suppose you write first question here and then you start giving your answer number 5. No, it is not the correct form. It is not the correct way. Please follow the sequence. 1, 2 will follow after 1, 3 will follow after 2, and so on. Put proper sequence. By chance, if you miss any question, you can write that question at last when you revise your paper. And by chance, if you have missed any question, you skipped any question, you can write that question at last, putting proper number and indicating it properly. Putting proper number and indicating it properly. Okay, so children, this was your paper pattern. I hope you have understood the paper pattern and the way to write your exams. Write it neatly and legibly. Legibly means so that the teacher can read it. Okay, your writing must be legible. Legible means it can be read, which can be read. Don't write in haphazard way, in dirty writing, in bad writing. Your teachers are going to award you marks for cleanliness and neatness too. Okay, so I take this opportunity now to thank you all and then wish you all the best for your exams. Write your exams well, do well. Thank you. God bless you.